This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming both devices are updated and on the same Apple ID and Wi-Fi. This is crucial. On Apple TV, go to Settings, System Software Updates and install any updates, then open the Home app and verify Homepod placement. Once done, make sure Bluetooth is on and that Homepod appears in Home as a speaker in the same room. These steps reduce pairing errors, so don't skip them. Now we move into audio routing and HomeKit configuration. Next, route Apple TV audio to HomePod by selecting it as the default audio output. This is under Settings, Video and Audio. Choose the single HomePod or a stereo pair you set up in Home and test playback. You should hear immediate sound. Make sure volume buttons on the Siri remote control HomePod volume. If not, enable Control TVs and receivers in Settings. If spatial audio or Dolby settings are present, toggle them to match your HomePod model, so dialogue and effects behave correctly during playback. Finish by validating across apps. Play TV shows, movies, and music to confirm consistent HomePod audio. If you lose sound, restart Apple TV, power cycle HomePod, and reboot the router, then reselect HomePod in Settings, Video, and Audio. Make sure Home and Apple ID settings didn't change. If problems persist, remove the HomePod from the Home app and add it again. This clears HomeKit conflicts. One key tip: check Wi-Fi band and network isolation. HomePod and Apple TV must be on the same local network for pairing to work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.